User-generated content includes text, photos, videos, drawing, and memes that users create and dedicate to or associate with a brand. For example, you ask people to take a photo while they're watching their favorite series on your streaming platform, and then you use these photos to show new customers. Look, there are the people just like you, and they love it. User-generated content has numerous advantages. 10 years ago, the appearance of ordinary people in photos could discourage faint-hearted marketers, but today, thankfully, authenticity is valued much more than a staged picture. Moreover, users have developed photo and video editing skills like never before. User-generated content is suitable for almost any context. Its main form is actively used in business communication. Of course, I'm talking about reviews. Real, honest, and vivid ones. User-generated content may seem like a piece of cake, but there is a challenge. If you're just starting to grow your audience, obtaining the first videos, images, and text will not be easy.
Please.
Most likely, you need to pay people for their content, usually in the form of lottery. Send us a video and get a chance to win a prize. Some brands distribute prizes among their most active fans on Facebook. This can be automated through special giveaway services. This way, they dare their audience to create more content and receive fan pages. You should do everything in your power to support people who find the energy not only to like your post, but also to create and share content. When you praise some users and make them popular, others will also desire fame, and they want to become famous too by creating a piece of content for you. The human brain is wired to trust people. So it's in your best interest to use user-generated content whenever possible. It's important to give more attention to graphic content that features the imagery that benefits you. For example, if your target audience is a woman with children and pets who works 20 minutes away from home, you should gather and amplify content with mothers and office employees, ladies, and showcase the typical home environment for families with children and pets, so that your audience can recognize themselves in your content. This way, you reinforce your brand with real people and show other users the content style you appreciate. People copy encouraged behavior. They will produce more content. You can even go further and turn the most active content creators into your brand ambassadors. This will further strengthen the audience's belief that your brand is customer-oriented. Aim a rule that user-generated content forms the basis of your content strategy. If it is not the case yet, plan your marketing to accelerate the constant flow of user content to the desired level as quickly as possible. This will accelerate brand development and from the very beginning create the most advantageous company image, which is highly desirable to people.